Hey guys, this is an unboxing of Honor 9. Honor 9 improves greatly on the design of its predecessor. This is a 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage version. So let's start. Honor 9 improves greatly on the design of its predecessor. It still maintains that beautiful mixture of metal and glass. Thanks to the 3D glass back that replaced the 2.5D glass on the Honor 8. The reflective back makes a comeback on the Honor 9 too. Honor 9 looks almost identical to another recent Chinese flagship, the Xiaomi Mi 6. But apart from that, the phone looks pretty much like its predecessor, with the rear-facing dual-camera module, the button placement, and, thankfully, the headphone jack on the bottom. It's about the same size, too, with the exact same thickness and nearly the same width and height. Honor 9 has a 5.15-inch Full HD display. It is powered by the Kirin 960, and comes with 6GB of RAM and either 64GB or 128GB of storage. The Honor 9 also has a hi-fi audio chip. There is NFC, an audio jack, and a 3200 mAh battery on board. The phone runs Huawei's MIUI 5.1, which is based on Android 7 and features a bunch of intelligent features, such as resource allocation management and smart prediction. Thanks for watching guys, see you next one.